Take a ride in the 2020 Corolla Hatchback. The Toyota Corolla Hatchback will make you smile. The performance and shifty driving experience will certainly leave you wanting more. A sharp exterior look and an abundance of technology, like the Toyota Safety Sense, make this a vehicle worth looking at. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.